Hello friends, today is Father's Day! I'm going to surprise my dad with a card I made at daycare. So, this is a card for my dad and this is a puppy face paint for me and that's my mummy and there's a love heart. And I write, love Chloe. Chloe fans, this is really easy to do. I made it in daycare. What you need to do is a colored piece of paper, some pencils, and a texter. It's really easy to make a card. And your dad will love it. If your daddy's not around on Father's Day, it's okay. Just make a card for somebody in your family you love. Like your mom, like your uncle, like your grandpa, like your grandma, or maybe your auntie, or your older brother or sister, or someone that really cares about you. Father's Day is about love and appreciation. Me and my dad made a special video about us. Hope you enjoy it. Bye for now. And one last thing. Daddy, I love you. Happy Father's Day.